everybody, and welcome to my local class. I'm so excited, you guys, to just share a really quick video with you. I have some photos from my class last night. Every third Tuesday of the month, I do a local card class with a fellow demonstrator, Wendy, and we offer our cards to go, and you'll see those at the end here. But I snapped some pictures last night and I wanted to share with you some of the fun we had. We had a couple new ladies come, and that was exciting. They had not stamped in a little while, and so they were excited to get back in it. And then this is one of the cards we made. This was my card design, and we used the Hedgehogs stamp set, which is super cute, and that really pretty designer paper that you can get for free when you place a $50 order. It's a celebration item. So that's always fun. And then here's my friend Chris. You guys hear me talk about her all the time. She is an amazing lady and helps me out with lots of different things. And last night she made a little favor for everybody, and it was so cute. It was this little basket right here, and this basket had little fruit earrings in it. And this is a sneak peek at an upcoming project that I'll be featuring on my website. So she made one of those for everybody, which was super nice. So when you come to our card class, you get to make the cards, and then we always have a little favor that we make and give to everybody. And then Chris was really nice to make everybody a little extra gift this month, which was fun. So I just thought I would share some photos with you guys of the fun we had. And then I'm also announcing today my card kits on the go. These card kits sold out last month in like 6 hours, you guys. And I had several of you email me and want the kit, and it was sold out. So this is the kit for this month. You get to make 8 total projects. So you get 2 each of these projects. So 2 of the boxes and then 2 of the cards. You get envelopes in the cards, and then you get exclusive videos, one from myself putting together my projects, and then one from Wendy putting together her projects. So the kit is $24. It is free shipping and free tax, so that's amazing for you. You simply follow the link that I will provide. It is in the YouTube description, and it is also over on my website. That will take you to the place where you just purchase the kit. It gets shipped to you, and the video links get emailed out to you right away. So just so you guys know, because this has been such a huge demand for Wendy and I, and we don't want you guys to miss out, in the next couple weeks we'll be changing up the way we do the kits, and we'll be taking pre-orders, and that way everybody who wants one of these kits to go can get it. So just so you know, be on the lookout for that upcoming change that will be happening. And again, if you would like to purchase it, it's $24. You get envelopes for all your cards. You make 2 each of the cards and 2 of the boxes. You get all the supplies you need plus exclusive videos. So just follow that link in the YouTube description, or head over to my website and follow the link. And as always, you guys, I appreciate you so much, and I will be back on Friday, and we will be kicking off a Just Because series with Chris, and I'm looking forward to that. I hope you all are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.